This is Northern California's Napa Valley, where we're celebrating the local cuisine simply.
Some local onion blossoms.
Spring in a bowl. It's colourful, it's fresh, it's clean.
It's the way everybody wants to eat.
Our chefs today are Katianna Hong.
It's addictive. You could really just keep going and going, like if you have time.
And one of the youngest chefs ever to win 3 Michelin stars, Christopher Kostow.
There's something in our DNAs that like understand how to use this.
We're sourcing our entire meal from a local organic farm down the street.
Zach has grown everything, Kat has cooked everything, and we'll eat everything. There you go.
Locally, we call this the wine country flip, flipping it for presentation.
On the flip side, I'm taking a trip to Tamales Bay, where I'm making a simple dressing for a sexy oyster.
When you look at an oyster, it's very sensual, and lo and behold, it's full of all these good things for the male reproductive system.
Let's go again. Cheers, everybody. Cheers. We're doing the wine country flip next on a Moveable Feast with Fine Cooking Magazine.